So Taranto was established nearly 30 years ago. We manufacture precast concrete. We do design of specialist precast solutions, focusing on the housing market and also the commercial market. So we found out about the Knowledge Transfer Partnership around about 2011. That was when we did our first KTP. That was on cement optimization. We did another KTP on piling rig development, and now of course we've just completed our third KTP. So we're fully invested in KTP.
We had identified that our sales process was the bottleneck in the company for growth. We wanted to use technology, we wanted to use AI and to increase the capacity of our sales function, to increase the capacity of our sales team. There was nothing out there in the market that would answer the problem we had. So we decided, with the help of KTP, with the help of the partnership and Ulster University, to design our own software that would measure construction materials and would go through the estimating process in a way that was massively reducing the manual input.
Our involvement began when Taranto approached us, and we sat down with them. We had a few meetings to discuss their problem, to understand their problem, and to come up with a solution. The main objective of the project was to create software that would automate the costing of projects at Taranto. That was to be achieved through using AI, specifically computer vision algorithms, to learn from architectural drawings and past projects of how to position piles and beams.
We received great support from the KTP partnership. We got support in choosing the right associate. The associate is a key part of the KTP. The associate came in with a deep knowledge of computer science and AI. As the KTP embeds themselves in the company, they also embed themselves in the academic institute as well. And they're feeding off both, they're embedded in both. So as they start to know more about the company, they really start to understand the problem that's been posed, the problem that we're trying to fix.
Initially, I was shadowing the salespersons in Taranto, and then I was getting to know about the estimation process. I concluded that using foundational plans and the architectural plan as an input will give a good result rather than relying on a historical data. So then I trained this data sets onto a computer vision model. So wherein this computer vision model was able to estimate the number of piles and linear meter of beams. So by doing this, we were able to achieve more accuracy than the traditional process.
The Knowledge Transfer Partnership has benefited Taranto in the long term by giving us new skills and a new insight to where technology can be used. Without the support of the Knowledge Transfer Partnership, frankly, we wouldn't have completed AutoCost. We needed the technical knowledge of Ulster University and also the guidance of KTP. We had an idea and we'd identified a problem and we knew how to fix it, but we didn't have the skills. The KTP brought us the skills, brought us the knowledge, and brought us the framework to bring this to fruition.